Dan here with LED Light Expert. Today we are going to show you the Virid Series horticulture lights. We've got a simple set of grow lights with the Virid Series to make it great for anybody new to growing, indoor growing, looking for a simple lower power light for small grows. So we're going to open the box on this guy, show you all the advantages of the Virid Series and the strengths of this product here in just a moment. Alright, so we got this cut and the light coming out of the box here to show you everything included. So coarse power cable, direct with a plug on the end for easy plugging in anywhere. Comes with the hangers for you, everything you need to hang the light. The light itself is packed with foam to keep it in good shape in shipping, so you don't have to worry about the light. And this is the Virid Series. If you can see close on the LEDs, there is a few different color LEDs in this design. That's to go through the reds and the blues. And the greens, depending on which setting you have the light and which stage of growth you're in. Alright, we are here to show you the options on this Virid Series light. So you can see it's a nice light there. We've got power in. There's a second plug here so you can daisy chain these lights. One of the big advantages with the Virid Series is that you get a lot of premium features out of this light at an entry-level price. So you can get a good price on a grow light for just about whatever you're doing with a lot of options for a very economical light. This light does have plug straight in, plug right into your socket. We've got an extra socket built into the fixture so that you can daisy chain multiple lights. You'll see that you've got veg and bloom buttons on this so that you can control which stage you're in if you're not sure what you're doing. You can use both, go full power. So you've got a lot of options as far as what you're doing in color. These would start off at about a 2x2 coverage area, going up to as big as a 5x5, 6x6, depending on what you're growing. A lot of grow lights. It's going to be a little bit experimentation on your side to see how your plants react the best. This light gives you the options to switch through a few different settings to make sure you find the right light, the right amount of light for your grow. Alright, so now we're going to turn this light on, show you what it can do. We do like to test all the lights ourselves in-house just to make sure everything is what it appears and what it shows as far as specs. So this light itself is rated up to 360 watts of total LED power. As we flip on each separate setting, you can see the colors change. This is with both at full power. We're running about 210, 215 watts out of this at full power. If we step it back to each stage, we're around 100 on either stage, depending on what color we're going through. A lot of times you see many grow lights out there in the market that claim certain wattage. They do not hit it. We've got this tested at 210 watts that's actually pumping out of this, 215, so you know you're getting what you paid for here. Once again, really easy options depending on what you're growing to simply switch colors to what you need, on, off. 3 fans built into the top to keep this a very cool light. And you won't have any problems down in the future. Alright, so we're going to show you the hanging system with the Virid Series. As you can see here, it's a real simple clip popped into the built-in loops on the light. These are the hangers that come with the light. Bring this up so we can lift it up. Caught on the back here. Light comes up, easily installed with a chain if you're using that. It's got carabiners on here for it's a simple hook into a chain, making this extremely easy to install. one plug. If you're doing multiple lights next to each other, you can plug light to light up to a certain quantity on these. One of the great things with this style mount is that you can adjust the height of the light very easily. If you're doing a chain, you can move links. Some people go as far as a pulley system, probably a little bit of overkill for a more simple system like this, but whatever floats your boat works for us. Another advantage with this, the fact that you can change the height of this so easily, is that the advantage with LED grow lights is the heat. You do not have the heat that you would have compared to an HPS light, which can burn your plants if you get too close. A light like this, you can move up and down right above the plant. I've seen people get lights as high as 960 watts down within 12 inches of the plant. We always recommend check it out, try a little bit higher. I would start off with a light like this, maybe 12 inches over your plant, see how it reacts. If you're starting to see any burning results, anything like that, come up a little bit over the plant. If it's reacting great, you can drop it down even closer. So get a lot of advantage with being able to easily install this and change the height to make sure it's the perfect light for what you're growing.